Welcome to Mount Hermon Adventures. In this video, we'll guide you through the proper use of your Clic Its for an easy and enjoyable experience. Let's get started. You'll notice you have two Clic Its, one in the C shape and the other in a U shape. The C-shaped Clic It goes on first. Gently scrape it onto the cable, ensuring it's securely attached. Next, take the U-shaped Clic It. Press the trigger and flick open the gate to unlock it. With the gate open, gently scrape the U-shaped Clic It onto the cable. Now both Clic Its are securely attached. Remember, only one Clic It can come off the cable at a time. Always keep them together, not separated, to utilize the Clic Its efficiently. When moving your Clic Its, press the trigger on one and pull it up and away from the cable. Then, find the new cable you want to attach to and gently scrape the Clic It onto it. Repeat the same process with the second Clic It, ensuring both are securely attached before proceeding. By following these steps, you'll be able to focus on the fun while staying secure every step of the way. Thanks for choosing Mount Hermon Adventures. We can't wait to see you out there making memories that will last a lifetime.